Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on boats and streams. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. Question says, a man travels by boat down a river to his office and back. With the speed of river unchanged, if he doubles the speed of his boat, the travel time gets reduced by 75%. Find the ratio of the original speed of the boat to the speed of river. Fine. Let us assume the original speed of the boat is b. When we say original speed of the speed of the boat in still water. When the water is still, the boat will travel, let us assume at b, and the speed of the river is c. We want to find out what is b is to c. Fine. But now here the boat traveled down a river and then came back. So if you take here from this point down a river, a man is going down a river and then is back. When a person travels downstream, he will be traveling at not only the speed of the boat is trying to go down and the river also will be pushing it. So hence the speed will increase, the speed will be b plus c. When a boat tries to go upstream, the boat is trying to go upstream but the river will be pushing back the boat, so the speed will come down, the effective speed is b minus c. And the question says a man traveled from a point here to his office and then back. So the man traveled two equal distances but at different speeds. One direction the effective speed was b plus c, another direction the effective speed was b minus c. And when a person travels two equal distances at different speeds, the average speed equals to 2 into s1 into s2 by s1 plus s2. This is the formula. When we can write it? If a person travels two equal distances, right? Okay, here instead of s1 and s2, the two speeds are b plus c and b minus c. So the average speed is going to be 2 into b plus c into b minus c by b plus c plus b minus c. If I simplify, it is b square minus c square by, this is c gets cancelled, 2b, 2 gets cancelled, it will be b. Right, this is the average speed originally. Now the question says speed of river unchanged, that means it will remain at c, but he doubles the speed of his boat. Now the speed of boat becomes 2b. Now what will be the downstream speed? The downstream speed will be 2b plus c and upstream speed will be 2b minus c. Again it is traveling two equal distances at different speeds. Now the average speed is going to be 2 into, instead of s1, s2, now we have 2b plus c and 2b minus c. 2b plus c into 2b minus c by 2b plus c plus 2b minus c, that is s1 plus s2. If we try to simplify, 2 into 4b square minus c square by cc gets cancelled, 4b, it gets cancelled, it will be 2b. So 4b square minus c square by 2b is the speed now. But the question says second time the travel time gets reduced by 75%. Travel time gets reduced by 75% means now the travel time here is only 25% of the travel time here. Rather it is 1/4 of the travel time. If the travel time is t here, I can say now the travel time is t by 4 because it is reduced by 75%. Now the time has become 1 by 4. You know the speed and time are inverse relation. If your speed is more, you will take less time. If your speed is less, you will take more time. Here the time is 1 by 4 times of the original time means, rather I can say the speed in the second case is 4 times of the speed in the first case. So we can say the average speed in the second case is 4 times of the average speed in the first case. The reason is, because the time here is 1/4 of the time here, the time can become 1/4 only when the speed becomes 4 times. So 4 times of the original speed b. You can see b gets cancelled. If you try to simplify, 4b square minus c square equals to 2 goes other side, 2 4s, 8b square minus 8c square. B square comes here, 4b square equals to 7c square. If I simplify this, b square by c square is 7 by 4 or b by c equals to root 7 by root 4 or root 7 by 2. So in other words, the ratio of the speed of the original boat speed and river speed will be root 7 is to 2. Hence my answer is choice B. Here two key points. One, when a boat travels downstream, the effective speed is speed of the boat plus speed of the river. When a boat travels upstream, speed of the boat minus speed of the river. This is one concept. Second concept is, when a person travels two equal distances at different speeds of S1 and S2, the average speed is 2S1 S2 by S1 plus S2. And in fact, one more point we can add is, the speed and time are inverse relation. Since the time in the second case is 1/4, how do we say that? It is reduced by 75%, means the new time is only 25% of the original time, or 1/4 of the original time. If original time is t, here it is t by 4. Why the time becomes 1/4? Only because the speed has become 4 times, right? So hence our answer is choice B. Thank you.